Not getting the WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone home screen? It could be due to notification settings or a software glitch. But don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the issue of WhatsApp notifications not showing on your iPhone home screen. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Check iPhone notification settings. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always Here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banner Alerts. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it's solved or not. Solution 2. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you know how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing up on your iPhone home screen. If this video helped, drop a comment below. Have any questions? Just ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.